If you want to download the Google Chrome offline installer, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the simplest way to get the full Chrome setup file using your current browser so you can install it later even if you don't have a stable internet connection. This is especially useful if you want to set up Chrome on another computer, keep a backup installer ready, or avoid downloading the browser in parts. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open any browser that's already installed on your computer. You can use Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Opera, or even another browser you already have available. Since you're downloading Chrome from the web, you just need a browser that can access the official Google download page. Once your browser is open, go to the Chrome offline download page by typing google.com/chrome/standalone=1 &UTM into the address bar and pressing enter. When the page loads, make sure you're on Google's official Chrome website. This is important because you always want to download software from the official source to keep your device safe and avoid fake installers. On the page, look for the Download Chrome button and click it. As soon as you click, the offline installer file will begin downloading to your computer. Now keep in mind that this offline installer is usually larger than the regular Chrome download. That's because it contains the full setup package, not just the small web-based installer. So if the file takes a little longer to download, that's completely normal. Just let it finish, and once it's done, you'll have the full installer saved on your device. After the download completes, you can open the file from your Downloads folder whenever you're ready to install Chrome. If you're planning to use it on another computer, you can also copy the installer to a USB drive and transfer it easily. That's one of the biggest advantages of the offline version. It gives you more flexibility and works great when internet access is limited. So to quickly recap, open your browser, visit the official Chrome offline installer page, click Download Chrome, and wait for the full setup file to finish downloading. It's a fast and simple process, and now you know exactly how to get it safely from Google. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.